Welcome to your Sunday Shave of the Day. Hey, Eric here with Adventures in Wet Shaving, and welcome back. It's good to see you. If you're interested in learning how to straight razor shave and all things straight razor related, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Then click on the bell next to it to be notified when I upload videos. That way you won't miss a thing. Consider hitting that join button and becoming a member to support the channel. My one word is heart, and I put my heart into everything I do. And I believe every time you shave with a straight razor, you're getting a better shave. In this shave, I am using my Thiers Issard. This is the Bison. Yeah, this is French made, and it is just beautiful. That is Faux turtle, and it is a full hollow, just a sweet shaving razor, 7/8 razor at that. And for our soap tonight, here we go. This is Ginger Gardens, and this is Old Dominion with mango butter. This also is a tallow base, and it's got wonderful deep mahogany wood scent and soft Italian leather, sweet tobacco, and maybe a hint of dark patchouli. It is just marvelous. It really is. Now, I have had that blooming because it is a harder soap. We're going to pour off that bloom water, put it on as pre-shave. Yep. Oh yeah. Oh, and the scent is coming right off of this so nicely. Yeah, this has got a nice warm scent to it. I think it is going to be marvelous in the cold weather. I do. There we go. Now, get those hands rinsed off and dried off a bit. For my brush tonight, here we go. This is the Connecticut Quarter Brush. That is a 22mm Maggard Razor synthetic knot. And I put it in this old handle that I had. We're just going to get it wet and go to town. This being synthetic is a splash and go, and that's all you need. You don't have to soak it. Yep. You just go splash and take out most of that water, and you can go to town. It's just marvelous. And look at that, it's already coming to life. This is a really fantastic soap from Ginger's Garden. It really is. I really enjoy the scent on it. Oh, I tell you, I really like the leather. That is so good. Yes, it is. All right, I'm pretty sure we're already there. Let's go ahead, get that, just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and clean off that puck as well. Get the good stuff there. And we're going to put what's left on the face. Just real quick. Like that. Yeah, I like to get the soap to work on those whiskers before the shave. Yep. So I did lather up in the shower just with my hands like I'm doing with this bloom water, and I let it set until the end of the shower, and then I rinse it off. Yeah, and that gives the lye in that soap a chance to work on those whiskers and do its job. Yep. All right. Oh yeah, look at that already there. That looks marvelous. Really does. Yeah, I hope you're having a good weekend, being able to relax, enjoy yourself, be with family and friends. That's always good. And hopefully the world's treating you good. Yeah. And you're in high spirits. Oh yeah. Here we go. This is pass one, and for me primarily that's going to be with the grain. Let's do this. There we go. Nice. Yeah, so getting a good lather is key to getting a good straight razor shave. It is. And you've got to get that soap hydrated enough that it has the slickness you're looking for. Mm-hmm. And the next thing that I would suggest is find out the right time to shave. Mm-hmm. When do you have enough time to shave with a straight razor? Give yourself time to enjoy it. It really is going to make all the difference in the world. Yeah, you want to enjoy your shave. And probably the most important thing is that straight razor. You need a sharp straight razor. You do. Take your time. Enjoy it. Yeah. Very, very important. Yeah, we shave this way to take this chore and enjoy it. Oh yeah. Yeah, and as you're doing it, you know, we're going to switch hands. We're going to use different hands for different parts of our face. And let me encourage you, start shaving with a straight razor with both hands. That way, right from the beginning, when it's slow anyway, you can get used to it. There we go. Pass 1 complete. And it felt good. It did. Yep. Let's get that rinsed off, see how we did. There we go. Nice. Cheeks are good. Right where they are. Oh yeah. And look at that. Just coming right back to life. Just by putting a little water on that. Yep. You can definitely do some buffing with this, which is those short little strokes that I use pretty much throughout the whole shave, because that's what works the best for me. Yep. I do know there are people out there that shave with long strokes and all of that, but this is what works for me. So that's what I do. And let me encourage you, do whatever works for you. Yeah. If it works for you, go for it. Yeah. And now this is going to be the half pass. All right. So I don't need to do everything every time, you know, multiple times, because I do buff, and really it takes care of a lot of it. But I can do this in 1.5 passes. So here we go. Time for the half pass. Let's do this. All right. All right. Now that was totally against the grain in that area. And now this is going to be against the grain in this area. There we go. Nice. And I should have cleaned up this just a little bit, because that's going to be left just like this side. All right, now we are switching hands, and I'm going to grab that ear to stretch. Clean off an area, reach down, grab further. That way I can stretch further down my neck. There we go. Nice. Rotating that blade. Just cleaning that little section off right there. Really good. Works great, matter of fact. There we go. Another shave in the books. Oh yeah. And it's a good one. Yeah, buddy. Excellent. Felt great. Yeah, it doesn't look like I hit any bumps. So that is excellent. No bumps were harmed in the filming of this shave video. Always good to say. I'm still going Alum everywhere. This is astringent and antiseptic. This will help if you hit a bump or two, and it'll close off those pores and tighten that skin. Really good. And it is my practice to just use it every time. Yep. Always good. Just like that. Put it everywhere. Then I'll take this towel and just pat it dry. It has had enough time, I believe, to do its job, so that's good. Now, if you can't take alum straight up, go with a cold water rinse. If you can get cold water, that is always good. Follow that by witch hazel, and for me, I'm going with the Thayers, and this is the Lavender Witch Hazel. Just marvelous, and I enjoy the scent quite a bit. It really is nice. Yep. Oh, that is so good. And I put that everywhere. I do. Yep. Now, we're going to follow that with Nivea. And this is the Sensitive Post Shave Balm. Good stuff. Really is. And it will help hydrate that skin. Yes, it will. That's always a good thing after a straight razor shave. And I'm going to put that pretty much everywhere. Yep, just like that. All right. And we're going to follow this with Old Dominion. This is Ginger Garden, and this is the aftershave. I'm going to be using this more as like a cologne thing. And it is good. Yes, it is. And oh yeah, this I couldn't remember. Oh, got a little bit of menthol, and it is comfy. I probably didn't need that Post Shave Balm at all. Oh, I got to try to remember that for the next time I shave with this. Oh, marvelous. Click up here to see my latest video. Click over here to see a video specially picked out for you. Click on this one to see straight razor shaving, your first full face straight razor shave. Have a great shave and a good day, and I will see you next time on Adventures in Wet Shaving.